through his rights with him or through the complaint with him? Have you done that?
Your Honor, we did go over his rights, and he's read the complaint, and he waives the reading of it.
Sir, do you want a public defender?
Yes, please.
Mr. Bloom is here, and he may have recommendations regarding bail and conditions of release. So go ahead.
So, Judge, in this case, the state's asking for $50,000 in bail. It's alleged that the defendant pointed a handgun at Jane Doe and then moved it to the side and discharged it inches from her ear. It looks like he also struck her several times. So given the serious nature of this offense, we are requesting a high bail. I unfortunately do not have his criminal history records. We would also ask that if he does bail out, that he be placed on GPS, SAP, and have no contact with the victim.
And what was the amount of bail that you were?
$50,000, Your Honor.
Do you want to respond to that?
Yes, Your Honor. We'd ask the court to consider releasing Mr. Golder on his own recognizance or on a substantially less bail than what's been suggested by the state. Mr. Golder has a minimal criminal history. He tells me he just has something out of Arizona.
15 years ago.
About 15 years ago. That was a misdemeanor? Or?
It was a misdemeanor, and then when I rejected probation, it went to minimal class.
So he's been leading a law-abiding life since that time. He is a lifelong resident of Missoula. As he stated, he owns a business here, so he's not a flight risk. He would suggest a GPS monitor to address the court's concerns about potential safety of the community. We would note also that he does not share an address with the person named in the complaint, so there would be no issues with residents. And the alternative, Your Honor, we'd ask for a pretrial supervision screening